Hello guys, welcome to SSD. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn disks into local disk C. Hope you can see here how to turn this thing into local disk C. So first of all we are just going to plug it into our machine through the USB port, and it's now showing on the PC. Okay, so as you can see, that is it over here. So what we are going to do now is download the software. Okay, and the software is not huge. It's not huge, so I don't know, it should be somewhere around about, let me check the size. Yeah, it's just in fact it's just kilobytes, so it's not huge, it's something small, so don't worry about data and stuff. But actually the name of the software we are going to download sounds a little bit of familiarity, so let me tell you what I'm talking about over here. If you're an anime lover or an anime watcher, you might have heard of Itachi in Naruto. Okay, but this time around it's not Itachi we are looking for, the anime character, but we are looking for Hitachi. This one has H in it, so Hitachi micro drive, that is what we are going to download, and I'll be leaving the link in the description below so that you can also get to download it. Okay, so over here I'm going to extract these files onto my desktop. So extract here. Once it's extracted, we have to go down to our Windows over here, then go into disk management. Then in disk management we are going to find that removable USB. Okay, so you go over to the properties and you go to, is it details here, then you go to device description, then choose device instant path. So select that one, and over here you copy the selected text over here, click on OK. You can close it for the meantime, then you open this. Okay, once you open this, let me enlarge it so that you can see what I'm doing well. So over here we are just going to replace certain commands over here just before the comma, then press Ctrl V to paste the copied item, then do the same thing here, Ctrl V with paste again. So you can just go ahead and close it to save it, or just come to file and save. Okay, so once I've saved it, I can close it now. So what you have to do next is come here again, and let's open the disk management. And this time around, when we go to properties, you go to drivers, then you go to update driver, browse, let me pick, then you're going to have a disk, click on browse, then you select this, it's on your desktop. Okay, so the extracted files, then click on OK, then click on next, click on yes, then you will see this, then you have to install it right away. Okay, but in case you don't see that, I'm going to show you a different way to do it. Okay, in case you don't see that, so now let me show you. Now you can see over here this PC, and you see the name has been changed to local disk D. See what I'm talking about? So it has been successfully done. But if yours was not able to do so, this could be the reason. Don't worry, I have a solution, and the solution is guaranteed 100% it's going to work for you. So what you have to do to close everything, press Windows and I key, go to settings and type recovery. And once you type recovery over here, you click on restart now. Where is my phone to record this for you? So I'll get this recording for you. Okay, so let's begin.
So this is it. Okay, so you are going to the restart now option. Then once you go to the restart now, you want to restart it. Once it restarts, so it will come to this screen, and on this screen you're going to troubleshoot, then advanced options, then startup and repairs. Then you want to click on restart. Okay, so once it restarts, you are going to disable driver signature enforcement, which is 7. So let's click on F7. Okay, so that is the F7 over there.